Well, good morning everybody, it's cruise day. We have got our breakfast took care of, we have got the truck loaded up, we have got everybody on board, and we are headed to the Mardi Gras. Yay indeed. We're gonna get over here and get our bags checked in and get ourselves checked in and try to get on board this vessel. We'll see y'all here in a little bit.
Just run on my couch.
Huh?
Go good. Go run on my couch. Look.
Now we begin the long walk up the hallway to the gangway to the Mardi Gras. Ladies and gentlemen, after much wait and anticipation,
Welcome to the Mardi Gras.
welcome to the Mardi Gras. And as always, the first steps as we stroll onto the Mardi Gras. Yes! Woohoo! Finally, yes! Let's see the world with Chris. Yes. Shack's Big Chicken. I got the tenders and some fries. I wanted to try some of this Shack sauce and see what it's all about. And my Brenda got the tenders and fries, and she got some Memphis barbecue sauce. Alright, we are on board, and our first stop, as you can see the sign behind me, was Shack's Big Chicken. Y'all, this wind is cold. I think we're more in Southern California than Southern Florida right now. So we're gonna go inside and get our ice cream. We're gonna hit squirrels over in just a little while. Okay, we are on board. We actually got on board about 11:30. It's about 3 o'clock now. We got us some food, walked around the ship just a little bit. We came back to the room. Our luggage was here.
Water. Hydrate.
Very much so, yes. Always a good idea. We got back to the room about 1:30, and our luggage was outside the room, so we just went ahead and unpacked. We got on our woohoo, it's cruise day, Lido, Loca t-shirts, and we're about to
Woohoo!
we're about to head out and find the festivities, because unless my Mickey is wrong, it should be sail away time.
So we'd like to give you a heads up, it's coming up next.
Wait, we've been practicing this for 6 hours. You gotta get your hips. The hips. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Let's start it again.
Okay, so when you're in the MDR and you get the Carnival's chocolate melting cake, when you ask for extra ice cream,
I didn't ask for extra. I just asked for ice cream.
okay, she asked for ice cream.
Yeah.
She asked for ice cream and got 3. I asked for extra ice cream and got 2.
You can have one of them, that's for sure.
That sounds just kind of relaxing, hanging out with a few of our Lido local friends. Got Joyce and Mike Harder, then Dewey's Knee, and then the Gilberts down beside them. Over there we've got Jenny and Mr. and Mrs. Barnett. We're just kind of hanging out, listening to some music. We'll see where the rest of this night takes us. It is late. It's late, y'all. It is real late for us. But we're headed back to the room. We're gonna call it a night. It's like almost tomorrow. That's how late it is. But you know,
That's early for some people.
it's cruise day, so you know, we will catch up with y'all in several hours. Okay, so where are we going?
To rent the boat.
And because this is the first ever Halloween on the Carnival Mardi Gras, we get pumpkin butter.